Welcome to Foxtecc. Let's get straight to the point, sending a video through email on an iPad. First, open the Mail app and tap the Compose button to start a new email. Once you're in the email draft, tap on the body of the email. This will bring up a few options. Select Insert Photo or Video. Your Photos app will open, allowing you to pick the video you want to send. If the video is small enough, typically up to 25 megabytes, it will attach directly to the email without any issues. If your video is too large, you'll need to take a different approach. Instead of attaching it, you can upload it to a cloud storage service like Google Drive, Dropbox, or iCloud Drive. Once it's uploaded, copy the link and paste it in. This way, the recipient can just click the link and watch or download the video without running into size limits. It's also important to know that different email providers have different attachment limits. Gmail, Outlook, and iCloud Mail all have restrictions on how large a file you can attach. If you're using Gmail and the video is too big, Gmail will automatically upload it to your Google Drive and insert a shareable link in the email. That means you don't have to manually upload it yourself. Gmail does the work for you. That's all you need to know to send a video through email on your iPad. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you later.